God is saying to you today, you've entered a new season, an era of open doors and answered prayers. This isn't just another day, it's a divine shift. Heaven has heard your prayers, your quiet cries in the night, the whispered pleas when no one else was listening. Revelation 3:8 says, I have placed before you an open door that no one can shut. This is God's promise, not just to the church in ancient times, but to you, today. You may have felt like everything was closed off, opportunities slipping away, prayers seemingly unanswered. But hear this. Isaiah 22:22 declares, when he opens doors, no one can close them. When he closes doors, no one can open them. The delays weren't denials, they were preparations. God was aligning hearts, moving pieces, setting the stage. You've been faithful in the waiting. You've prayed in the silence. And now, the season is changing. 1 John chapter 5 verse 14 says, this is the confidence we have in approaching God, that if we ask anything according to his will, he hears us. He heard you, he sees you, and now he's responding. God is not just opening doors of opportunity, he's opening doors to peace, to restoration, to joy. Psalm 37 verse 4 says, delight yourself in the Lord, and he will give you the desires of your heart. Stay in him, trust him, he is moving on your behalf even now. So don't lose hope, don't stop praying. You're stepping into the fulfillment of promises spoken long ago. This is your era, of open doors, of answered prayers, of divine favor. So don't lose hope. Don't stop praying. You're stepping into the fulfillment of promises spoken long ago. This is your era, of open doors, of answered prayers, of divine favor. Ephesians 3:20 reminds us, now to him who is able to do immeasurably more than all we ask or imagine, he's doing more than you ever dared to pray for. God is saying to you today, this is your time. Walk through the door, I am with you. Your era of answered prayer has begun. Keep trusting.